All right, guys, welcome to class once again. So I think today I decided to use this method. I think it is going to work for all of us because yesterday I had a challenge. Some people did not join class because they couldn't use Google Meet and stuff. So for iPhone users, it is a challenge to use Google Meet. So I've decided that I'm going to use this method. I think it is going to work for everybody. So welcome to class once again. Thank you so much for joining us, Namhlanje. So yesterday we were looking at branding. So we looked at as a person, as a brand, and we talked about your business as a brand. And there was totally a lot of insight. If you missed yesterday's class, it is okay. You can just watch the rebroadcast. I sent the link on the group. It is there. Just watch the rebroadcast from yesterday's class. So right now, so today is day two. We're going to be looking at content creation and copywriting. So the skills they are very very important when it comes to business. When you talk about content creation, guys, ask me about comedy, because most of the time you guys about content, you think about doing comedy and stuff, right? So this one is content based on what? On business strictly. We are talking about business here, ne? So let's move. Let's go and look at content creation. All right, so today's agenda, we are going to look at understanding content, what is it and what is does, and then AI tools, let's sit down to content, Canva, copywriting formulas, writing that sells, and then content types, okay, and I'm a live creation, okay, that's nice. So let's just get straight to business. Like I said, Yolo Woods, today we're going to get straight to business. If you've got any questions, more questions, just type them on the comment section. Just type questions on the comment section, and then I'm going to attend to them after. So let's understand content creation. What is content? First things first. So what is content? Is any information that we share with our audience. So a content is just simply sharing any kind of information. Either it is a matter of what? A letter, either it is a video, either it is a call, it is an audio, it is music, it is a book. All those things are content. You see that the word content says that it is all about making comedy and jokes and posting online. But when we talk about content, we're simply talking about what? Conveying a message to a certain audience. Now, this can include my social media post, Facebook, my Instagrams, WhatsApp status. So if namhlanje you did a status update on Facebook noma or on WhatsApp, that is content. It can be photos, videos, captions, stories, flyers, posters, nama blogs, nama emails and stuff. All those things are just what? A content. Simple as that. So why does it matter for business? Because Tina, now we are looking at things at the eyes of a businessman, at as an entrepreneur. Would say, why is it important to get to do what? To do content. Let's look at these two businesses. A business, they sell the same product, ne? Let's look at business A, then let's look at business B. Good business A, this guy creates no content. He just waits for customers to come, and then now poster na corner, it is once a week. He just says call this number for orders. Then at the end of the day, ngenyanga una 5 to 10 customers. Akusi imistake yabani leyo. Let's look at i-competitor yakhe. So i-competitor yakhe is doing what? He's posting helpful content onke malanga. They show ama-products abawasebenzisako. They share ama-customer testimonials. You guys, when you talk about customer testimonials, this thing, it goes a really, really long way. Like when we talk about ema-testimonials, they play a very vital role. Some of you joined this class simply because you saw the results of what? Of other people about joining course, which are so people who join the course are actually achieving these things. You see what I'm saying? So sometimes, uh, by simply posting about who has joined my course and how it has helped them. Kuyasita ukuthi wena you feel like, I man, if there are people who have done this thing and it has worked for them, probably I might just be part of those people. You get what I'm saying? So now butsengisa ema products. Let's asengisi nje ema products. Someone said utsengisa ema products ekuslim and stuff. Eh? Show us before and after results. Nangu umuntu nimshuthile before drinking lamaphilisi. Nangu umuntu senyamshutha after taking the medication or taking whatever that you guys are selling. So people want to see results. People want to see ukuthi abafuni to be the first to try something. Eh? Who else has tried, has joined your course and basitakale njani bona? Eh? Someone decided to post on my to post on my comments when I was advertising the class, and the person asked and said, "Oh, Bobani, that you have trained and how is their business grow and they show us the results from them." I was like, in as much as I could show results, but the way the person asked the question, I felt like the person is questioning our course. So instead of me showing the person who say we've done this, we've done that, I did not attend to that person. I simply said, my friend, you don't ask such things to me. Eh? So the approach was wrong. Someone also asked about the training in a very, very bad way. So sometimes I just answer these people the way they asked the question. But don't do that unless you are sure about what you're doing. Don't do that. You're going to lose customers. Eh? Now, then a business B he also teaches people about the products. He engages on their comments. Posting and then people are now commenting under your picture and awusabanaki. Like wena nje uphosta kuphela ukuthi bantu bathini ema-comment section awungenelani. So as a business person, that is very important. What are people saying is very important. And then uyabona ama-results, the person has got what? Has got 10 times more customers. Uyabona ukuthi the mistakes between these two people, it's not like there is there are witches involved here. Nema, these are simple business tactics. These are just simple business strategies that it's just a matter of making small changes. And the small changes, they really play a big role when it comes to what? Getting sales and making profit. Because that is the main reason for business. The reason why you're doing business today is because you want to make sales. It's because you want to what? You want to get more customers, right? Now let's move. Now, content. I-content yenda these 5 things for your business. Firstly, it attracts. So content brings new people to your business. If people don't know about your business or the existence of your business or your products, how do they really have to come and buy from you? How? How is someone going to move from Manzini and get into a kumbi, or let alone move from home as we are Manzini to buy from your business that they don't know about? So content, advertisement, they are for attracting new people into the business. It is also to teach people about what you offer, because sometimes people don't. You can have a very nice business, a very good equipment, everything, have money, but people don't understand what you guys are all about. So sometimes you just need to go out there and do it and do some marketing so that people know about what you guys do. Do you understand what Coca-Cola is just a name, right? But every time you see a Coca-Cola advert, the advert ayisho ukuthi hamba uthenga Coca-Cola right now. It simply puts an idea into your mind ukuthi there is such a business or there is such a product, so that tomorrow when you see the word Coca-Cola, you know, oh, these guys, they sell Emma refreshments. You get what I'm saying? So sometimes e-content is not just for people to buy, but for people to be educated about what you guys are really all about. because ngende I would say they meet your shop, but they pass by your shop every day, but they don't know what you do there. Hmm? Now, it also builds trust. It shows you are professional and reliable because I would say you are just doing business, but people don't trust you. Trust, like I said yesterday, would say trust is very important in business. People have got to trust you so that they can do business with you. Most of the time, if people do not trust the one who is in charge of the business, they are likely not to do any business with you. Eh? I hope so. Then it also engages. It keeps people in. It keeps people interested coming back. Then it also convinces. Now, conversion, I would say, lets people turn toward to customers. E-conversion is simply turning somebody, maybe who is just a total stranger, or umuntu lomatiko, or ngama-followers akho Facebook, turning them to what? Turning them to customers. That is what we call conversion. So without content, you are invisible online. With great content, you are irresistible online. Write this down. Without content, you are invisible online. With great content, you are irresistible online. Eh? So your business is dependent on the type of content you guys are going to do. You guys, most of you are here because you saw my video when I was advertising the class, right? And you said, this guy, that is content. So for you to be in this class today, for you to be here today, it simply means that what I did works. And if I'm telling you, if it has worked on you, why can't you do the same thing I did that made you to pay for the class? How about if you try today now, let other people pay for your own thing, for your own service, for your own product? Why can't people buy from you after you have created such content? You guys didn't know that there's such a class, right? But because I went out there, I said, let me do a video. And do you know, it is not the first video I've done. Like I said, this is the 14th edition, meaning we've had 14 classes in the past 14 months. Hmm? We've had what? 14 classes. But look now, you are just hearing about this thing right this month of 2026 when we started last year, April, a year ago. You get so without content, you are invisible. With great content, you are irresistible. You get now. Are you guys still with me? All right. If you are still with me, type in the comment section. If you are still with me, type in the comment section that we are still here. We are still here, so that we can get to the next part. Now, the content creation problem. Even though I touched on this thing, I see identify the pain points. Yesterday I talked about Tutsi. My pain points. I understand Labanye, they say that I don't have time to create content. Luminuts, I don't know what to post. Luminuts, I'm not creative. Luminuts, not I cannot afford a photographer or designer. Luminuts, I don't know how to edit photos. But do you understand with AI, there is basically nothing that you cannot do. I'm going to show you guys when we get to the practical part. These things are all possible. Ne? So now react with this emoji if you felt this way. React with that emoji, post that emoji in the comment section. If you feel like you don't know how to create, you don't know, you can't afford a photographer, you didn't have time to create content, you don't even know how to post, put this emoji on the comment section. I want to see it. I want to see it before I continue. I want to see it, guys. So now here's the good news. Let's look at this. AI can give you content ideas in seconds. Canva can make you look like a professional designer. You don't need expensive equipment. Your phone is enough. I'm teaching you the formulas that work every time. You can create content in 15 to 30 minutes per day. So the game is changed, and today you are learning the new rules of content creation. Now let's move to the exciting part of the class. Let's look at my AI tools. Auntie, remember that we on our timetable we said we are going to do what? We are going to do content creation and copywriting, right? So let's look at this thing. How do we create the content? Okay, using what? AI. So which is part of day 4 under artificial intelligence in marketing. You get, but we see it goes hand in hand. That's why I'm showing you now. That's why I'm showing you this thing now, because it goes hand in hand with running my Facebook ads, how to do those things. So it's still part of what we are doing. Now let's move. So ChatGPT is one of the simplest ways or AI bantu that are really, most people they just know ChatGPT. That is what most people do. In fact, that is just, it is one that came out early. So I'm going to give you guys more. I'm going to give you guys other AIs that you can use for all these things. So it can write my captions, my content ideas, and my product descriptions, emails, answer customer questions, and then my help with planning and so much more. All this is part of AI. Now, let's not go inside yet. Let's not go to AI yet. Stangena on the practical side. Let's talk about how do we really have to use this AI, because lama AIs they are all free. In as much as it is limited when you are doing the free one, but I wish you cannot get things done. It does not mean that you cannot get things done simply because it is limited. So you don't need to be paying for any AI. All the AIs I'm going to give you, I'm going to put the links. I'm going to put the links in the video description. Send them in the class. Yeah. Anyhow, I'm going to just send the links of the different AI so that you guys know what we are talking about. You get. Now let's look at this. How to talk to AI. Here's the secret to getting amazing results from AI. If okay, let's prompt. As a challenging, I like prompt. Prompt, the word prompt, it simply means what? It simply means an instruction, a command given to the AI ukuthi ufuna endeni vele. So le message loyibhalayo-ke lapha ku-AI ukuthi ufuna lo AI endeni. AI simply means artificial intelligence. So ema-AIs-ke akhona ema-AIs lashintsha emagama labhaliwe ukuthi abe i-audio. Lesiwabita nge-text to speech. Text to speech AI. Leyo ishintsha written words to audio form. Bese lamanye ama-AIs they change what? They change written words into what? Into pictures. Text to image. Sikubita nga-text to image ke lo. Ishintshe amagama iwenda ema ishintshe amagama iwenda sithombe. Bese kuba ne-AI leshintsha words into videos. Kusho ukuthi le AI uyayitshela ukuthi ufuna yenteni, and then the AI will generate a video for you according to that thing, ne? Bese sekuba nani nema-AIs lashintsha. So I've talked about text to image, text to speech, text to video, and then akhona-ke ama-AIs lenta konke, ne? Akhona ama-AIs that's just give you ideas and stuff for brainstorming and stuff. Then the lenkanika yona, it is going to be able ukuthi inendele konke, it does everything. But we'll start from the simple ones. So let's khuluma nge-prompt. We're just simply talking about lelo kubhalayo lapha, the written words that you write, because everyone can have access to the free AIs, but-ke ema-results ethu akafanani. Why? We know how to prompt, we don't know how to prompt. It all depends on lo muntu who is busy with the AI ukuthi can they prompt well, can they write, can they describe well. Now ukhuluma na-AI funa ukukhuluma ngathi ukhuluma nemphana lomncane, umphana lo understand, umphana lo akaconsi. That is the type of AI that we use. You get. Now it's all about how you ask. Bad prompt will get bad results. Good prompts, amazing results. Let's look at this. So i-prompt-ke kufuneke ibe so the prompt formula. Every great AI prompt has 4 parts. Kwekucala, the role. Tell AI ukuthi ufuna abe ngubani. Who do you want the AI to be? Number two, what do you want it to do? Ufuna akwendeleni? Bese number three, i-context. I-context ke, it is the information, the description. Like I said, ukuthi kufuneka ukhulume ngathi ukhuluma nemphanda lomncane. Why? Everything has got to be outlined, has got to be described, so that lama results akho atophuma as they should come out. You get what I'm saying? And then the next part is the format. How do you want the output to be? You get what I'm saying? So how do you want the output to be? Now let's look at example one. Asengithi nje you have got a product and ufuna kubhala ini, ufuna kubhala i-caption for it. So asengithi nje wena write a caption for my product. That is not good. Results akho lo watfola lapho, it is not what you want. So it is best ukuthi ubhale kanjani. I-prompt le kahle ithi you are a social media expert for Swazi businesses. Write an engaging Instagram caption for my handmade Swazi basket business. The basket is made by local women, uses traditional techniques. Yabona, onke lama-specifics lawa enda ukuthi le result lotoyitfola lapho, it is going to be magical, trust me. Let's look at this. Asengithi let's do it practically. The problem, if we do it practically, basically it takes a long time, so it's best I leave the practical for the last part. Basically, let's look at this. Utwena, give me content ideas. This is a bad prompt. Because you are a content strategist. You run a small bakery in Babani, Eswatini. You sell cakes, cupcakes, and bread. My target audience is busy professionals and families. Give me 10 content ideas that will attract customers and showcase my products. Include a mix of educational, entertaining, and promotional content. Uyabona le nto lena nasiyenda kanje. Let me just copy this thing like this. Let me copy this thing like this. So let's go and do the AI. So the AI that I'm going to use right now, it's Claude AI. I'm going to send the links. I'm going to send the links to the group. I'm going to send the links to the group after, so that I can. So I'm just going to paste this thing like this. Now, within a few seconds, it's going to give me a very good Sfuna 10 content ideas. The stock poster from Monday to Monday without running out of ideas, because ngalesi nesikhathi lokwenza ukuthi ungakhoni to post, it's because you don't know what to post vele. But AI can do this thing. Asengivule na ChatGPT nje in the meantime. Asengivule na ChatGPT. So audit unayo we have got a vast tools that you can use. Ungacabangi nje ukuthi hayi funeke vele ngisticke to this one. So you can just use other AIs. I'm just going to copy and paste le ngubhale ngale and put it here. So the descriptive part of yourself is very, very important. It's very important. Just look at this. Here are 10 powerful content ideas. Day one, behind the cake. Sitakhuluma nge-educational plus entertaining. Show a short video of how your cakes or bread are made from mixing to final decoration. It builds trust and freshness. Bantu bathi ukuthi, whoa, okay, le bakery lena vele it deals with what? Fresh bread. Then content idea number two, it's a busy day. We've got dessert sorted, promotional. Great post targeting ama-professionals, long day to work, pick up a ready-made cake on your way home. Yabona ke le nto le. So lana you are targeting bantu labasemsebenzini labede isikhathi and bedesikhathi even sekubambe emalayini, they just want to pick up, they are tired, it's been a long day, they just want to go home. It is for them. Bese, number three, content idea, cake of the week. You look at just one of the best work that week and post it. And then family moments with our kids. So these are all content ideas for this bakery. But if lapha besiposte nje ukuthi give me content ideas for what? AI will ask you content ideas for what? What are you talking about? So the more descriptive you are, it is the more better the results are going to be. Basically, that's just how we do this thing. You get. So if it prompt it write a reply to a customer. So onke lawa my examples that I just put for you so that you get the idea. So I want you to try this thing out on your own time. Ungene ChatGPT, you copy this le cala and see my results akhona, and then you copy the second one. You will see the difference is going to be huge. The difference is going to be really huge. Kunalama we-magic words now lesokhuluma. So magic words, add this to any prompt to make a better results. It's in make it conversational and neutral. You do understand ukuthi AI angithi AI, right? Kusho ukuthi AI ma results akhe AI vele a computer. So you need to make sure ukuthi you put emotions there because uyokhuluma nebantu. The advert itawufundwa ngumuntu, the advert itawubukelwa ngumuntu. So if you want to achieve a sales in business, always appeal to people's senses, always appeal to people's emotions. People buy because of emotions most of the time. Scarce listening is not because they are buying because they need the thing, they just buy because they want it, not because they need it. They just want it. Eh? So you can say make it conversational and natural, use simple language. What kinds of ideas in this school lapha ukhuluma nabantu abadala? Ungakhanzi ufake amatembu lamakhulu kanje ukhuluma nabantu base-primary. So you need to make sure ukuthi le prompt yakho, your content, your marketing strategy lo tawukhetha usebenzisa, make sure my friend, make sure by all means possible ukuthi it is for your target market, it is for your target audience. So you can say include emojis where appropriate, because sometimes ukhanza ukuthi emoji asebenziseke wrong. Ama-emoji lobo kufuneka angabi khona, there sekagqumukele sekakhona khona. You see, then keep it under how many words? Include a call to action. Sometimes when the advert, without telling the people what to do next, it makes people not to buy the advert or to buy the product that you're talking about. So it is very important ukuthi ekugcineni sitshele ukuthi nasifuna lento kufuneka esendeni, call me or come to our shop, visit our shop, or text me. Tell people what you want them to do after watching the ad. Come to our shop, then people are coming. Call us here, people are going to call you. Text us here, people will WhatsApp you. You get what I'm saying? Then make it engaging and attention grabbing, because AI is AI, like I said. So umuntu ukuze afunze advert yakho ukuze ahlale and follow you, they need to be engaging and attention grabbing. So make sure you write these ones down because utawadzinga man. Athi utawadzinga. So as I've done this practical already, so I'm going to skip it for now. I'm going to skip the practicals. The practical video. So okay, asengikunike nama top 10 AI prompts that you can use right now. So my content ideas, so utobhala ukuthi you are a content strategist dash ufake business yakho, my target market or target audience is what, ufake audience yakho. Give me 20 content ideas that will attract and engage customers, include a mix of educational, entertaining and promotional content. So lento le ikusita kuphi? Ikusita ukuthi you can now uthole langa, sit down. Okay, namhla I'm going to be creating content. Create content for namhla on a Thursday. Create content for tomorrow on a Friday. For Saturday, for Sunday. Why? I will let people that schedule a tonke online. They are just going to come on that day. Kuscheduler, it means ngiyayiposta le nto, but people are not going to see the thing that I've posted until the certain time. mm, Until the certain time. Let's move. Alright, bese sekuba nema-captions, kuba ne-customer F_A_Q, email writer. So lama-scripts lawa ngiwakhele wena ukuthi wasebenzise, just copy them and use them. So they are just my best top 10 that akusita for any type of business otoyisebenzisa, ne? We are going to use those things. So write them down in your notebook, type them in any notes app on your phone or whatever you use. These 10 prompts, they are worth thousands if you hired someone to create this content. And my content creators are really getting paid a lot of money. So make sure you can just take this thing and run with it and start your own advertising or copywriting agency. Ne? So I want us to skip Canva. Canva sitamsebenzisa nasenda ema-practicals. Canva i-app lesiyisebenzisa kwenda ema-practicals. I will do it at the end. I-practical ya-Canva. All right. Okay. Okay, let's move. The important part is this one. So I'm going to send the notes after class also. Then, copywriting that converts. Yini copywriting? Because labanye solo bathi buda le copywriting bambamba. What is this thing? So copywriting is the art of using words to sell. You get? It's not just writing. It's writing with purpose. Eh? You are writing to get attention, to create desire, to inspire action, to make sales. Copywriting is advertising, but strategic advertising using what? Words. So that is what we call copywriting. Now, sikhuluma copy, sikhuluma about the message that has been written as an advert. Niloko sikubita copy. So nangikhuluma copy nje. Anytime you hear me saying copy, ngisho ukuthi le message lesiyibhalako for the advert. So let's look at this one in a deeper way. So a good copy can make the difference between number 0 to 500 likes, 0 sales to 50 sales, being ignored or going viral. All this thing is all about what? It is all about how you're going to present your copy. It's all about how you're going to present your message. So let's look at it like this way. The 5 copywriting formulas. Lama formula lawa guys, just one formula is enough to take your business to the next level. Let's look at this. Formula number 1, siyibita nge-AIDA. This one is what we call the classic. A is for attention, I is for interest, D is for desire, A is for action. Kwekucala, people bafuna ukuthi nabadibana ne-advert yakho, the first word is very important, because if they don't read the first word, they won't read the second one. The first sentence, if your first sentence is boring, then the person won't mind, will see in whatever, they won't mind anymore. So it is very, very, very important ukuthi the first word lesiyifakako lapha, the first sentence lesiyibhalako, it gives what? It takes attention. The first word is everything. The first sentence is very much the most important, because this is where we get attention. I is for interest. Ngilapho ke sibenda khona ukuthi abe like, oh okay, yabona into leyo. So lokho ke sikwenda la ku-interest. I-desire. I-desire, it is when we want the person to want the product. Ngengane. You want the person to want the product even if bebangayifuni. I-action ngilapho ke sibayothenga khona. Ase sikubeke in a clearer picture. Let me put this picture for you. Example number 1, let's say we are running a fitness business. Asithi-ke kukanje, asithi for attention. Shows the first sentence lami litawuthi, are you tired of looking in the mirror and not liking what you see? Already, nangikhuluma about being tired of looking in the mirror and not liking what I see. There are a lot of people who look at themselves esibukweni babe like, ish athi nami ngathi ngisidudla kakhulu. Lo munye athi buka athi maye nami ngathi sengiluze kakhulu, sengincama. People are very sensitive when it comes to their weight. They are very sensitive when it comes to their body weight. So already, when we talk about looking in the mirror and not liking what they see, akati noma ukhuluma about ubuso bakhe ukuthi umnyama njengami, akati ukuthi ukhuluma ukuthi yabona, because they now want to know, okay, what is this guy about? Ku interest. What if I told you you could lose 5 kg in 30 days without starving yourself? You understand ukuthi people don't want to stop eating. Bantu abafuni ukuyekela kudla. So if you tell them ukuthi they are still going to continue eating their rice and beans, but still lose weight, they are definitely going to want to know ukuthi ukhuluma ngani, because people abafuni ukuyekela kudla man. Hey, I know people abafuni ukuyekela kudla. Now yathi nje mukelo, you know people don't want to stop eating. I don't know. Angisho ukuthi nguwe, but I'm just saying. I'm not saying it is you. I am not saying it is you. I did not say you now. Come on. Come back. Come back here. All right. So, eh, for desire, our 30-day transformation program has helped over 50 Swazis lose weight, gain confidence, and feel amazing. Real results, real people, and real change. This is important. Why? Lana sesikhuluma nga 30 days inyanga leyo. And then if lo muntu paintela lesithombe ukuthi okay, 30 days 30 days, that's okay. And then I'm going to lose 5 kg. Oh, this is good. And labanye sekuvele kwentekile, definitely then it might happen for me also. I-action ke manje sithini? Are you ready to start your transformation? DM transform now, limited spots this month. You understand ukuthi lama sentence lawa is just 1 2 3 4, but the advert le, it is worth a lot, and companies pay people just to write this thing because being a businessman, akusho phela ukuthi you now know how to do copywriting. Akusho ukuthi you now know how to do advertising, right? So they pay us for this simple thing. It is simple because now we even know how to use AI now. I simply take my business model, ngihambe ngiyipaste where, ngihambe ngiyipaste ku ChatGPT, ngiyipaste Claude, and then ChatGPT is going to give me using the ADA formula. Umtshele ukuthi create a copy for my Facebook advert on my product, usho ukuthi product yiphi, and then make it 150 words if 150 words, or use the ADA formula. Yaphuma i-answer, yaphuma info, yaphuma info lephelele futhi. You get this? So this is using ADA. So i-formula number 2 siyibita nge-PAS, problem agitate solution. Lo muntu umtshela inkinga yakhe, you identify their pain. Kwesibili, umenta lokuthi lento vele ayive mbamba, bese so letha-ke i-solution ukuthi hayi man, nayi answer yakho nayi la. Kuba slender akusiyinkinga until we call you pencil, until we call you a stick pencil, until we call you names. Icala lapho lenkinga. Kuba sidudla akusiyinkinga. The problem starts nasebathi sidudla mafehlefehle. Now it is becoming a problem. You were okay calling me sidudla, but nasothi sidudla mafehlefehle, it is now a problem. So lo muntu, the agitation, le agitation inokumnyanyisa ukuthi lento ayive ukuthi hayi vele lento mana ngifuni lento lena vele ayisimnanzi le. You get? So we use that ke. We use that. So lana, it is problem, it is agitate, and then it is solution. Example, if you are running a bakery business, so the problem is what? Are you planning a birthday party, stressed about the cake? That is the problem. Then agitation. Last minute cakes from the supermarket are disappointing, are dry, are tasteless, futhi are generic. Your special day deserves better. Uyayiva le ndzaba? Ngiyamkhombisa ngimpendela sithombe lesiphelele ukuthi vele athi lamakhekhe vele lesiwathenga la titolo mani ayinkinga. Hawu but vele athi ngalikhekhe lelakhiwe levele mina. Ithini-ke as i-solution? It's our custom cakes are freshly baked kwecala. They are beautifully decorated kwesibili and absolutely delicious. Ngubani longayifuni into lenje? Ngubani lofuna host i-birthday party noma ahostele happy wakhe i-surprise birthday party without a good cake? Lokwakha umcimbi likhekhe bazalwane. Ikhekhe elidlala wonke lo mcimbi. So if the cake is a problem, people don't mind ukuthi bogcoke kahle. Cake is important. Oh. So if you fail on the cake part, you failed the party. So now order 48 hours in advance and make your celebration unforgettable. DM for prices. Yabona ke manje. Is the problem, agitate and solution. Lawa ngamafomula lesiwasebenzisa ku-advertiser lawa awumanje ubhale advert ukuthi thengani amasokisi ami yini siwathengelane amasokisi, siwathengelane amasokisi, sitshele ukuthi wena sola uthini wavele kuvide mazambane wena emasokisini esungesikhathi esonifeni nakuthiwa khumulani ticathulo uba inkinga. Create the picture ukuthi athi vele amasokisi lamasha ngiyawadzinga mani, amasokisi lamasha ngiyawadzinga mbamba phela and ngiwadzinga namuhla. Create the problem, uspende lesithombe sokuthi lo muntu lento uyidzinga ngisho angayidzingi. You get what I'm saying? Now let's look at the next formula. Lesibita nge-BAB. I-BAB formula isho ukuthi it's before after bridge. I-before isho ukuthi lo muntu ukusiphi isimo manje, ungusidudla mafehlefehle vele nyalo. After the desired situation, lo muntu vele ufuna kwehla lo. Bese the bridge simfixa njani ke lapha ekugcineni. Ase sibuke, if we are going to do it like this and say, let's just look at this, the before. If I say wearing the same old clothes every day, feeling invisible and unstylish, leyo yini i-before. Bese i-after, imagine walking into a room and heads turning, feeling confident, stylish and seen. Okay. B, our new collection makes you stand out. Uyabona ukuthi lo muntu simpendela sithombe sokuthi umephi, simspendela sithombe sokuthi if ahamba nathi utawuba kuphi, bese simspendela sithombe sokuthi utofika njani ke lapha. Our new collection makes you stand out. Everyone wants to make sure ukuthi emcimbini bonke abantu babuka yena ukuthi ugcoke kahle, right? They are affordable and their sizes for everyone. Shop now at ufake ilink yakho yaka WhatsApp or DM to order. Ayiva lenzaba. Bese sekuba na formula number 4 lapho sina the 4 U's. Bo U labang 4 kuna agent, unique, useful, ultra specific. Yini ke lokhu ke manje? Lana sikhuluma about agent, it is time sensitive. Unique, kuhluke ngani nalalabanye ama-competitors akho? Why should we do business with you and not your competitor? Why should we do business with you and not your competitor? Then useful, valuable to the reader. Lento kufuneke i-sound very important to the person who's reading. Bese ultra specific. Nasikhuluma ultra specific, sikhuluma about what? A clear and detailed thing. Let's look at an example. Nasikhuluma about Emma Tech Services. Let's look at a flash sale today only. Kusho ukuthi kunjani ku-agent into le special list sanamhlanje kuphela. Get your laptop repaired for 300 emalangeni instead of 500. Uyayibona le difference ukuthi namhlanje siwa 500 siya 200. And you do understand ukuthi promotions la only for 2 days or for 1 day. Most of the time people are willing to leave work just to come and buy that day. So if you are going to create an agency which the special lesson is only this week only, it is only today. Eh? Nasikhuluma about only 5 slots left. First come, first serve. Call ufake inombolo yakho elicingo. And scarcely listening when they tell you that it is only 5 slots left. It might even happen with in fact no one has even signed up. But because this is marketing, we can tell you Gucci only 10 slots left, even when there is no one who has started paying or buying. But because the customer, you have got to paint the list from Gucci, this has to be done now, this has to be bought now. You get what I'm saying? Bese sekuba na formula number 5 lesimbita nga story selling. I-story selling lana sikhuluma about kuba nani, kuba ne-hook, kube ne-story, kube ne-lesson, bese sekuba ne-offer. Ase sibuke i-example ngatindvodza kaTon handmade products. Let's look at this. I-hook ithini? 3 years ago I was unemployed and desperate. Wayiva indzaba ukuthi icala kuphi? Indzaba iqala ekutheni ngithengisa ema-mat, angithengisi ema-handicraft. Ayiqali lapho indzaba. Indzaba ithi 3 years ago I was unemployed and desperate. Already la kule ngqondo yalo muntu sesipheyinte isithombe sokuthi the person wants to know ukuthi okay kwabe sekwendekani. You get what I'm saying? Then story lesithini, I started weaving baskets with my grandmother's old techniques. All right, my first basket took me 8 hours. I sold it for 100 emalangeni. I cried with joy. That 100 emalangeni bought groceries for my family. Story lesisikhuluma ke manje. Bese the lesson, what lesson did you learn from all this? I learned that our traditional skills have value and starting small is okay. That persistence pays off. All right. The last part is in the offer. The offer is in today. I employ 5 women from my community. We make beautiful baskets that preserve Swazi culture and change lives. Each purchase supports a family. Shop our collection. Ufake link ya WhatsApp group yakho. Uyabona ukuthi all these formulas they are well crafted ukuthi your advert ibalancile, because if you are going to look at all of them, every business product it should solve a certain problem. Yini inkinga lofuna kuyisolva namhla that people are willing to pay for? Business is all about problem solving. If you solve enough problems, you are going to have enough money because you keep solving problems. Akhona ke ma problems la seasonal, akhona ma problems la all year round. So kukuwe ke ukuthi ku business ufuna kuba seasonal or ufuna kuba all year round. Either way, if ufuna kuba seasonal, something else should sustain you phela during off season time. Bomagawula be emoba, umsebenzi wabo ukugawula kuphela, and isikhathi sekugawula is only during isikhathi sekugawula. Outside that time basemakhaya doing other jobs. You get? So as you are going to venture into business, as ufuna ngene ebhizinisini, what is it that you are going to be solving? What problem you are going to be solving? Leto tata umnyaka wonke, because that is where your finances are. You get? Now kunemagama ke lesisebenzisako to make sure ukuthi ema-copy ethu are strong, ema-copy ethu ato generator ema-leads or ma-customers. Nangithi nje limited spots available, kusho ukuthi lo muntu vele tafuneka abhadale anytime soon because limited spots available. Now ngikhuluma about today on, ngisho ukuthi le nto lena wangayithengi namhla you are losing it. And discuss listening, people are going to be coming very to buy the 1 day or 2 day only special. Last chance to register. Ngiyakhumbula itolo ngihamba ukuthi ngibhale nangithi last chance to register, and some of you joined, actually 3 of you guys joined just the time nangithi last chance. This thing works. So what I'm teaching you, it is what has worked even on you. You being part of this class, it means what I'm teaching you is working. So use the same things I have used on you, but use them to get yourself what? Customers. Now, don't miss hurry ending soon, now exclusive and stuff. And my customer added Tanzania special. Customers love to feel special. So now this product is exclusive. Kusho ukuthi it is just for a certain group only. They want to be part of that certain group. You get? Bese kuba nema power ways lesiwasebenzisa for creating desire. I-desire singayicreate ngekuthi sithi it is a new product. Bani bathanda nje letinto? Bani bathanda tinto? Babamba. It is free. It is guaranteed. It is proven, easy, instant, amazing and powerful. So lamagama lawa nginesiwasebenzisa to create i-desire ke enhlitweni yomuntu ukuthi hayi ngiyayifuna mbamba lento manje. Then kunamagama lesiwasebenzisa to build a trust. So when we're talking about a trust, we're talking about being authentic, about being genuine, about being honest. You are real, you are tested, certified, professional, and trusted. That is why some products or utawakhanza abhalwe ukuthi trusted, 2-year warranty. Le tinto leto tenda ukuthi le customer feels that they can trust your product. You get me? All right, let's move. Then when we talk about emotions, let's come about emotions. We're talking about what? Transform, discover, imagine, secret, unleash, breakthrough, revolutionary, and life-changing. All those things swasebenzisa for what? Swasebenzisa to create a very, very good copy. And if your copy is good, then you're definitely going to get customers. So use 2 to 3 of these power words on all your posts so that you are able to convert my customers into my paying clients. Nice. Eh? Are you guys still with me? If you are with me, write on the comment section. Write on the comment section that you are still alive. I don't trust some of you. Some of you are sleeping. Some of you are sleeping. So write on the comment section if you are still there. All right, so okay, it is practical time. It is practical time. It is practical time. All right, the activity now I wanted us to do it in class, but if I give you guys time, now to log in and stuff. So I want to send. I'm going to post the links like comment section or maybe even in the group la alama apps that we're going to use, ne? Because I want you to create your own way. I say Sende, I want you to do this assignment. Option 1, so your assignment is to create 3 pieces of content for your business. So even if the business, so I go show see if you don't have a business, we are in line with the type of businesses that's gonna go in the right. So I want you guys to work on my ideas. Let's materialize the idea now into what? Into a real business. So I want us to see ukuthi business yakho siyithatha njani ke from your mind into making it real. So I want you guys now ukuthi send a practical now. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this whole thing. I'm going to do an example. So I'm going to do an example, ne? So I want to do an example. So option number 1, it's in here. Open Canva, choose a template, search product post, bese uthi add your product image, or you can use stock images. Right, I think I need to show you guys where to get stock images. Stock images akusiso stock sekupheka bazalwane. Nasikhuluma nge-stock image or stock photo, ngema-images titfombe lesitithatha ku-internet. Titfombe lesitithatha ku-internet like this. Let me just show you small, fast, eh? App lesiyibita ngokuthi i-Pinterest. So it is not an app per se, it is a site. So Pinterest, utologa in nge-email address yakho ne. Ku-Pinterest, tonke titfombe lotifunako utitfola khona. Titfombe lesisebenzisa for images that we use for our posters, we get them here. All you need to do is to log in, base. Okay, what you should know about these online things, tonke tisebenzisa email. Just have an email address lesebenzayo. If email address yakho iblokile, just create another email address, or if you also call the password. Your phone can have thousands of emails. Akusinkinga leyo. So I use more than 10 email addresses on the same phone. It's not a problem. So ukuthi i-excuse ukuthi email address yakho ayisebenzi is not an excuse, guys. So please, lama excuse la unnecessary, not anymore, please. I don't want unnecessary excuses here. Just create a new email address and let's get business. Then ungena lapha ku search button asengithi okay. Business ya my sister here. It is a restaurant. So asengithi ufuna kwenda i-restaurant ke utothi ke restaurant. Lethombe lesitfola la. Yabona type of restaurant ukuthi kuvela all this thing, everything that has to do with restaurants. But nasengishintsha ngithi asengithi nje ngifuna kwenda what a dish, is a certain dish, ngithi i-burger, because nine ndawuze nishuthelele kwenda mbamba kanti phela hayi is not make sure now. So yabona nangithi i-burger ukuthi kuvela tithombe letinhle kwani. These are the images we use for our posters. We download them from here. They are free to use. Onke lama images here, they are free to use. Wena ukhetha lolo sifunako sithombe. Bese kulama dots lang 3. There are 3 dots there. Uchafata ona, and then you say download image. Once you uchafata download image, isithombe sesingenile gallery yakho. Asengithi wena ke wenda in maybe when the emabhele, you like there is nothing that is not here. Lokusithombe, as long as kusithombe utokuthola la. So nabe uchuphise emabhele, you download them from here, my friend. If yabona ngibhala ukuthi cloud page lapha, maybe wena ke utokhetha a different product like what anything agriculture, everything, every image is here. Agriculture. You see, once we talk about agriculture, all these images, all these nice images. So asengithi nasi isithombe sasimangela, sesidownloade nangu simangele, nyambona simangele nangu asesimdownloadele simangele sitawubona. So sesimdownloadile simangele, right? So ngingenile gallery yami right now. Then kunalenye app lesiyisebenzisako, Pinterest lo ngitamfaka kuphi nje. Okay, lama links for all the links for the sites, I'm going to send them in the group. Bese but wena phela bhala phasi lapho, wena nje sobhalile ukuthi Pinterest, PINTEREST, Pinterest 1, it is for stock images, it is for images la free. So bhalile ukuthi ChatGPT 1, that is what you are writing on your notes, because if I come and I find you on my inbox and you are asking me ukuthi kepha le app lesithe kwendani sisebenza in, my friend, I will send right to your house, because I'm saying now, take your notebook, write down, this app is for what, this one is for what, I repeat these things more than 3 times. More than 3 times. So if you come to my inbox like that, I will send the rates to you as I'm telling you. So Pinterest, it is for stock images, it is for free images. ChatGPT ngilapho senda khona ama-content ideas ethu khona. Right. Le site lengunika yona ke manje, it is for removing the background. Siyibita nga remove.bg. It is for removing the background from okay, ngifuna kwenda kube example le practical lo. So and you see the image we just downloaded now. Would say ikanjani. This is how it is, right? Answer phange emuva kwaloma ke kunale lama fitsipitsi lawa. You see those things. So we have to remove the background. So now we have to remove the background. It is remove.bg. Remove.bg. It's an online site. I'll see app. There's no need to download it. There's no need to download it. But if you want to download, because some of you niyathandza download, ungasebenzisa background remover. Background remover. Background remover. Like that. So ngiyangena, I upload image, ngiyasifaka lesithombe, ngiyasichafata, and then I say open. Once I say open, sitawudownloadeka singene la kule site. Immediately singena, the site itawususa le ngemuva, isuse le background. Automatically itasusela le background. Then I will click download. Now get download, ngithi preview. Sesidownloadekile ke lesithombe sami, sesihlobile i-background yakhona seyikahle. Noma ngabe bekunesithombe sami lesine background lekanjani any background lekhona. So once lesithombe ngasifaka la, automatically kususa konke lokulengemuva kwale background kwalesithombe, konke kuyasusakala, kusale ku-clear. Then you go and download the image just like that. Remove.bg ke lengiceda ukusebenzisa. Le ngikwendako ukuthi sidinga lembili lesiyakhona. Asambe lesembili lesiyakhona. Lesiyakhona embili kusekhabo Canva ke khona. So we call this site Canva. Canva lesimsebenzisa for yama graphics ethu. Okay, asesibuyele kule assignment icala before. Let me remove this thing. All right. So today you choose search product post and then you add your product image, noma usebenzisa stock image, bese usebenzisa write caption using ADA or PS formula. Include price, call to action, download and save. So mina ngifuna ku inbox yami nje on WhatsApp, what I am going to be getting i-advert yakho lephelele for your business. I-advert yakho lephelele, either utosebenzisa i-ADA formula noma i-PS formula. Right. Option number 2. Maningi ama-options la. Educational noma i-value post. Lana ke utawuthini. Think of what you can teach your audience. Use Canva to create an infographic or tip post. Make it visually appealing. Add your brand colors. Bese uyayiseva uyangisendela. I-infographic le ku-Canva le ku-search button ufike utype lolo kubhalwe la. Lana kuthi to infographic, la tulu kuthi to product post. Ngiyakhumbula. Number 3, do you have a happy customer? Share their story. Create a simple design with their code. Add their name with permission. Make it genuine and heartfelt. All right. Lana nokuthi specify with permission. Is the problem is this. You guys, ngiyathenga kuwe, sengisigcokile skipper sakho, ngiya-understanda ukuthi ngisithenga kuwe skipper. Sengiyadishuthela ku-status sami isithombe sami, lengibhadale photographer wami kiso, kuthi ngihambe ngipost. So sesebile ke sithombe sami awukangiceli. Mina sengisibona ku-status sakho. Mina sengisibona ku-advert yakho. So advertisele wena advertise i-post ngami. Lesibinzi lesingaka nesithathaphi. Lesibinzi lesingaka nesithathaphi guys ukuthi you are going to just steal your client's image and be using it. You ask for their permission first, please. That is very, very important. So you are going to choose either option 1, 2, or 3. Asengende example ke ukuthi create a product post. Choose a template and then ngisebenzise either. Alright. Kusho ukuthi ema steps ami nje lana kwekucala I need to know ukuthi ngithengisa ini. I need to find a product. So asengithini ke a product a health supplement. Yes, am I health supplements or ngithi yeah slim tea. Yeah, sengisebenzise slim tea. All right. Using the AIDA formula, write a simple copy for my slimming product. It's 500 grams and it costs 200 Malayan. Results are in 2 weeks. Access Bonek. The name of the slim tea is what? Is Ama Slim Slim. Ama Slim Slim. All right. Then send. ChatGPT nyana, right? What I would say using the AIDA formula, attention, interest, desire, action. Sayiphelele, right? But lokhu kubhaliwa ngithi lana ithi the assignment angende njani angakhe i-poster. So nyalo sekufuneke ngiyofuna sithombe se-slim tea. I said noma ngabe le product ude sayitfola la ku-Pinterest i-product yethu. Sengiya ku-Pinterest ke manje ngiyofuna slim tea. Sengiya ku-slim tea manje. All right. I'm going to download one image here and ndayisebenzisa. Oh, ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngithe it is in 2 weeks. So this one is 14 days slimming tea. So kusho ukuthi lena irrelevant kakhulu for mina. And then I've downloaded my image. I can also download sithombe lesinye se-testimonial maybe. Sithombe lesinye lesikhombisa ukuthi this thing vele iyasebenza. Okay. I just want to show ukuthi hayi lento yami iyasebenza because this thing has got to be convincing. So asithathe nangicheck-ke la, nangicheck lana simthathe. All right, for the sake of the class, this is taking long now. Asambe se-Canva ke manje. Canva ile app lesiyisebenzisako for ukwakha. Bathi ngidawufike ngiseshe for ini, bathi ngiseshe i-template lebhala ukuthi product post. Okay, ngihamba ngiya Canva ngiyofuna i-product post. So ku-Canva ulog in nge-email address yakho, same thing. Onke lama-sites you just log in with your email, that's all. Awubhadali anything guys, it is just to use your email, that's all. So ngiya ku-search button ke, ngita la ku-search button, ngifuna ini-ke, ngifuna bathi ngibhale ukuthi product post, and then I search. Okay, bese kufuneka ngikhethe ukuthi le nto yami kufuneke ibe kanjani. Either ngifuna ibuke kanje, noma kanje, noma kanje, noma kanje. Just choose any. You are feel free to choose any. So I'm going to choose this one. But this one is too big. And A2. And A2 is too big. Maybe. Alright, let me choose this one. So feel free, you can choose any of them.